Hey, what's going on YouTube? Working on weeding some gardens. Back here we have some tomatoes, and I wanted to show you what I put together for these little watermelon seeds. Okay, so I planted these seedlings or seeds and noticed there was no sprouts coming up, so I think they might have shot up and the rabbits or something were eating them. So I replanted, and now I do have some coming up. So, as you can see here, little ones. But what I did, I just cut some chicken wire right here, sealed the top together with just some zip ties to keep the birds out, and then I just used some of these little grounding stakes around the sides and just to keep the bunnies and things like that out. So it's a little tip I thought I'd share. And then once these get a little bigger, I will cut out the side so it gets more water, and then once the leaves leaf out, I can remove these because usually they don't bother them unless they're tender young shoots.